So tell me about the mosquitoes because I thought that was really interesting that you had touched on it before, but the reason that the biology works.
Yeah, it's when we're looking at the larval stages of most insects, um, the microorganisms, whether it's bacteria or maybe it's fungi or protozoa or nematodes or microarthropods, they are predators and they will attack and consume those larval stages. They will attack and consume the eggs. So when we're going down to our swamp, the stagnant water where mama mosquito has laid, a couple 100,000 eggs, we want to make sure that that water is now going to contain those organisms that will attack and consume the eggs. If any of the eggs do manage to, get through somehow and hatch into larval stages, we want all these little critters to attack and consume. Now, you look at a bacterium and it's not big enough to take a bite and eat that larval creature, but it will attach itself to the side of a much larger creature and slowly but happily drill its way through the exoskeleton. And once it gets inside that mosquito larva, now it basically eats the larva out from the inside. Here's a protozoan coming along and it attaches to the side and again does something very similar where it chews through the exoskeleton and is going to wipe out that mosquito larva.
So once you spray this, how long do you think it'll take before the mosquitoes stop
It takes
producing?
2 or 3 days to deal with that batch of mosquito larvae. Okay, but some other mama mosquito has already laid a couple billion other eggs. So it takes a little bit of processing because we really have to prevent any of those eggs from hatching, getting to a larval stage, through all the larval stages of the mosquito or whatever particular insect. We've got to stop it hatching into mama mosquito or papa mosquito. And so, we can apply control with the adult populations, but it's more effective to put this proper biology, do exactly what Mother Nature has always done to keep the mosquito population down to dull roar. So instead of millions of mosquitoes, you got one or two.